Hello everyone, Shane with Central Sales coming to you from our virtual open house out here at the dealership. Today I'm sitting in our brand new R-Series Bobcat loader. Model is an S76. It features a 75 horse Doosan engine, 2,900 pound lift capacity, and it's got a brand new design. A lot of great features in this new machine. We got our touchscreen panel up here that features all of our gauges, our camera that comes factory installed now, Bluetooth capability, audio for your radios all in here, your service intervals, all what attachments, how you can operate them. Brand new push button start design for your unlock, twist throttle. This is also another keypad that you can either run down here or run the touchless. We also have your power bob attach, reversing fan, self-leveling bucket. So a lot of great features in this machine. It's a brand new cab, brand new loader design. We'll show you a couple other features here as I step out. But looking at it from a distance here, you got a brand new cast boom design, all new decal package. They come now with automatic ride control. That's a nice feature for guys running around with snow buckets. Cushions your load on your boom so you're not so rigid to the machine. One key feature is the new engine design. They have moved that, and now it's a direct drive coupler system. We don't run a belt drive anymore. And they moved the fuel tank to the side, fuel filter, air filter. All your services are still just as easy as they were before. They just made it better, of course. And featuring out here at the dealership, we have a full lineup of Bobcats. All of our attachments we have on hand. So check us out on Facebook. See if there's anything that catches your eye. Give us a call, and we hope to see you soon.